Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm outside on the side of our house that we're really going to be focusing on a lot this coming year. This side really hasn't had a lot done to it, and I've been thinking in the winter, in those cold snowy days, what can I do to bring a little more interest over here? We have one window for the garage, and I think that this is going to be a perfect place for a window box. So it's very shady over here, but I'm even thinking hostas, coleus, all those shade-loving plants. This could be a prime opportunity to take up some real estate going up, that beautiful vertical lift here that we can have to bring your growing onto the side of your house and really make that beautiful. So as you're walking around, and it's still cold, it is freezing out here this morning and the wind is really, really cold. I thought it looked like it was spring, but it's not. Take a look around your house and see if you have any small little areas that you can be planning to add some beautiful pops of color once spring really gets here. So I have gone ahead and I have ordered a window box for our garage window, and I have to tell you, I'm a little nervous. So let me explain why. First of all, I ordered from H. Potter. Now, I love H. Potter. I got a beautiful obelisk from them out in the garden, and it just was strong and sturdy. H. Potter is a company that does a lot of copper work and metal work. They're located in Canada, and I honestly remember them because I think H. Potter, Harry Potter, I'm a big Harry Potter fan. But if you go online, they really have beautiful pieces, and I have greatly admired what I've seen for their window boxes. But quite truthfully, they're a little pricey. But I noticed that they have a page on their website that is half off. It is returned items. So they tell you you can order one of their items, but you don't exactly know how it's going to come. It could have a dent, it could have a scratch, it could be fine, you can't return it. So I decided, well, I really, really like their window boxes, and this will put one in the price range that I could splurge for. And I think that because I do trailing items in my window boxes, like if there is a scratch or a dent in it, I can just make sure I put a plant in it that will cover that part. So I decided to go ahead and place the order, and here it is. So now I get to unbox and see if I really like it or not. And either way, we're using it, but I'm sure it will be wonderful. It's kind of like one of those grab bags. You don't quite know what you're getting. Okay, so let's see here. They ship, as I said, from Canada, but they ship very, very quickly. It is amazing how fast the items arrive. Both times I've ordered from them, I've really found that it works fabulously. They get their materials to me faster than things in the US. Okay, so I have, it looks like, some really, really big screws. I have a bunch of instructions, all is good. Let's see here. I want to make sure that I save everything. Dan is going to help me hang this. Okay. Let's see if I can lift it out. It's pretty heavy. And it's very well packaged. Wow. Okay, here we go. At a time. There's part of it. We're going to move this. Excuse me, Pickle. Move this over here. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, this looks so pretty. So I, of course, could tell in the picture like what the style is of this window box. They have a number of copper window boxes in different styles, and this was my favorite. And because it's just an area over there that has the one window, I didn't have to worry about getting 6 of them, which is good. I could sort of do something a little different. What do you think? brackets attached here too. Or they were attached. There we go. So it comes with these 3 big brackets that are going to attach to the side of the house to hold this window box. Oh, this looks so beautiful. My goodness. Okay, so let me show you. Oh, it's not as heavy as I thought. The brackets are really heavy. But the actual window box here. And this looks great. And I'm just looking at it. Like, I am not seeing any imperfections that make me go, oh my goodness, which makes me feel very good. And when I tip it over, you can see that there's drainage holes in the bottom, which is great. You really want this. This is a really deep window box too. I'm going to be able to get a lot of dirt in here, and my flowers, it's a great size. It looks like it's in great shape, and I got it for half off. So I'll put the H Potter link below here. They're not sponsors. I'm just sharing with you what I found, and I do love to find a good deal and something a little different for the garden too. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.